galing outside, pumasok.
Ayan guys, pakinggan nyo to.
Kutsero yun.
Press con to kanina.
Alam nyo kung bakit?
Kanina lang.
Nasa labas ka na, di tumakas ka na. Ang tagal yung sinasabing, hindi siya magpapahuli, hindi ba? Okay. Pangalawa, nasa loob ka na, papasok ka pa ulit. Dito ka na magsumurrender kung nasaan ka man.
Kaya,
Why do you have to go inside? Di ba? At pangatlo, nahuli siya doon mismo sa loob.
sa loob.
Andito isang PNP na kasama natin. Si ating PNP dito.
Sasabi na ano eh.
Pinasok siya roon at nung palabas, sila, pinatabi na lang namin yung mga pulis so that they could get out. Okay? Yun ang nangyari. It was the PNP, doon siya sumuko. So, these kind of things are, they're just laying the basis that he is surrendered. But it's, sabi ko nga, kwentong kutsero ito. Huwag tayo maniwala dyan. At eto lang ang babala ko. With all of these things na nangyari, I'm sure someone should be guilty of obstruction of justice for harboring, concealing, someone who is wanted by law to this warrant. And let me remind you of PD 1829,
Kasuhan na yung mga
obstruction of justice.
kumarang.
Ang sinasabi, any person who knowingly, willfully obstructs, impedes, or frustrates or delays the apprehension of suspects and the investigation and prosecution of criminal. And of course, letter C, ito harboring, concealing, facilitating the escape of any person he knows or has reasonable ground to believe or suspect has committed any offense under existing penal laws. And letter I, giving of false or fabricated information to mislead or prevent the law enforcement agencies from apprehending offender or from protecting the life or property or the victim, or fabricating information from the data gathered in confidence
kasuhan na
by
yung
investigating.
mga
So,
kumarang.
I'm sure maraming papasok dito. Bakit? Sabi nga ni
Marami yan.
Chief, maraming panlilinlang na ginawa. Pangalawa, ang publiko mismo ang testigo rito kung paano ilang beses kami pinigilan si General Torre. Marami. So I think, babaliktarin ko ngayon ang tanong. Huwag na natin pag-usapan itong surrender thing na ito because I know all the while na sinasabi lang galing sa labas papasok, kalokohan po yan. Huwag kayo maniwala dyan.